Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to learn various vocabularies of different common activities that ones do in their free time. Last time we learned how to ask that in Cantonese. 你得閒鍾意做乜嘢啊？你得閒鍾意做乜嘢啊？ And the answer, 我得閒鍾意。我得閒鍾意。And then add that particular activity. So let's move on to introduce different activities in Cantonese. To check is 傾偈。傾偈。To chat with people on the phone is 傾電話。傾電話。To do exercise 做運動。做運動。To do shopping or simply buying something 買嘢。買嘢。To eat something 食嘢。食嘢。To go shopping 行街。行街。To go to restaurant for dim sum 飲茶。飲茶。To play board games 打波。打波。To play football 踢波。踢波。To run or to jog 跑步。跑步。To sleep 瞓覺。瞓覺。To walk around 散步。散步。To surf on the internet 上網。上網。To visit friends 探朋友。探朋友。So let's repeat everything again. 你得閒鍾意做乜嘢啊？你得閒鍾意做乜嘢啊？我得閒鍾意。我得閒鍾意。傾偈。傾偈。傾電話。傾電話。做運動。做運動。買嘢。買嘢。食嘢。 食嘢，行街，行街，飲茶，飲茶，打波，打波，踢波，踢波，跑步，跑步，瞓覺，瞓覺，散步，散步，上網，上網，探朋友，探朋友。That's the end of today's lesson. Next video, we are going to learn more about time words. You may have heard of it already, that Cantonese or Chinese in our grammar system, we don't have tenses. That makes time word even more essential in a sentence to indicate whether the things has happened in the past, now, or in the future. But don't worry, without tenses actually make Cantonese easier compared to other languages. So don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and also to subscribe the channel. You can also click the bell so if there's new video uploaded, then you'll be first one to notice. If you have any comments or even suggest topic, feel free to leave comments below. See you guys next time. 下次見，拜拜。